umpostoli Paul
When
ekhuluma
the Apostle
noTimothy
Paul speaks to Timothy,
uthi ungasheshi
he
ukubeka
says, do
izandla kunoma
not
ubani
place your hand too fast upon
akakhulumi
anyone.
nge-deliverance
He
ukhuluma
speaks not of
nge-impartation
deliverance, but of giving
ukuthi
up
ungarashi ukuba imphatha
that don't impart them too soon. Who
because
anointed
impartation
without
is training
That is how impartation works
awuvele
without
uthi
training.
baba nginike
You do not just request it.
uqala uthi baba ngenze
First, you ask for the training
indodana yolahleko yaqala
so that you
ngokunikwa
don't become the son of.
kanti ayenziwe
He was not made.
lalahleka ifa
That
ngoba
is how
yenziwe inikiwe
Because he was just handed.
mayibuya iyarealiza
And when
ukuthi
he comes back,
bengadinga ukunikwa
And then he
bengidinga
was just handed,
ukwenziwa
but he was supposed to be trained.